back to my channel and welcome to another my order from video. I haven't done one of these in a while, but ordering internationally is always such a hassle. So if you're new to my channel, hi, nice to meet you. I hope you stick around and watch my videos. So my order from videos are a little series that I started where I order from international retailers online that ship to South Africa, and then I come on here and tell you guys everything that I went through from placing the order to having it in my hands. So how this video is going to go is I'm going to have the sit down portion where I tell you everything that happened, like from the date that I ordered it to the date that it arrived, what customs charged me, like all of it. I'm going to tell you everything, and then we're going to do the try on portion where it's a different setup. Okay, so this my order from video is for Pretty Little Things, as you saw by the title, and I'm just going to tell you the story behind it and then I'll show you the pieces themselves. So on the 14th of February, I ordered four items from the Pretty Little Thing app. You can use that websites as well, but the app, I had it on my phone because I was interested in buying some of their stuff. And so I purchased these four items, and then the next day I got an email telling me that there's a confirmation email and then a dispatch email. So that was about 2 days afterwards, I think, was the dispatch email. Let me just check the date. Dispatch email was on the 16th, yes. So it was about 2 days after the initial order was placed. I got the email telling me that they had sent the order out. So from the 16th, because obviously you don't count those 2 days that you placed the order, from the 16th of February till the 16th, 15th, 16th of April, that was the wait to get this package. So this is by far the longest wait I've ever had for an international package to arrive. And the same thing happened with Public Desire, and I've done a whole my order from video for Public Desire, so I know that this isn't quite their usual. Hey guys, so I'm editing this video, and also I can't really say that this isn't their usual because I've only ordered from there one other time, and one other time doesn't really constitute the regular. So I just didn't wait this long the other time. I can't really say if this is normal. You know, this isn't what normally happens because that time when I had it, I only waited about a month. So for both of these packages, I ordered them around the same time, and they both arrived in the same week, maybe like a few days apart. So I don't know if there's something happening with like shipping and everything like that, but it was the longest wait ever. It had me a little on edge. Back to the Pretty Little Things order. So the dispatch email told me that I would get my order on the 28th of February. So obviously I was super excited. I'm like, that's usually like even quicker than the standard waits, because I was assuming the standard wait would be like an hour, a month. I wish an hour. So I was assuming the wait time should have been a month. And they said to me 28th of February. I was kind of shocked, kind of skeptical, but really excited because that would have been a first. So the 28th of February rolls by, nothing arrives. 28th of March rolls by, nothing arrives, and then I start getting a little anxious because, you know, they assured me in this email that I would be getting my package on the 28th of February. And had they not said that, I probably wouldn't have been so on edge. I probably would have been like, oh, this is the norm. This is the usual. The waits is long. International packages, whatever. But it took 2 months to arrive. Literally 2 months. Are you joking? That's the longest wait ever. I actually ordered it. Thought I would have it before I left for China. And then I could have worn it over there. But I left for China, came back, still nothing. So that was a lot. Anyway, I arrived at the post office to go collect this Pretty Little Things package, and the only reason why I knew it was at the post office because I got a little note in my post box here. And so I went to the post office, and then the lady behind the counter tells me that I have to pay 590 rand for customs. Let it sink in, okay? Let's just take a minute. 1 minute.
5 hours later.
Are you joking? 500, 600 bucks with customs? Well, like, I'm over it. I made peace.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just...
So I went and I paid 590 rand, so 600 bucks at the post office, and then I got my package. And so this order on its own, okay, when I placed the order was, the total for the order was £50.99. So that converted to South African rands is about 960 something odd rands. Let me just double check here. Yes, okay. So I paid with PayPal. When you're on the app or on the website, it has a number of different payment methods, and PayPal is one of them, and I have a PayPal account, so I just use that. Total was £50.99, which converted to 963 rand and 11 cents. So that the order initially, the order itself was super affordable. That's how I look at it. Like, I feel like it was reasonable for such a popular brand and for it coming from overseas and all of that fun stuff. Yeah, I can't wait to show you these things. They're actually really cute. I'm glad that they fit, because I would have been so mad if I paid that much money and I was wrong with sizing. So I watched a couple of videos before I ordered, and I saw that some people were saying that the sizing was a little off or maybe inconsistent, and so when I ordered, I kind of ordered bigger than my normal size here, which after trying the stuff on, I feel like I could have ordered my actual size and it would have fit perfectly. I am a little bit shorter than their model, so everything is kind of like long on me, like long on me. So but anyway, other than that, it fits. Okay, I can just, everything that I would need to alter can be altered. It's not a irreversible like situation. So that is my order from Pretty Little Thing video. Now for the try on portion, which I'm sure you're excited about, because I am too. Let's go. Okay, so this is the first piece I'm gonna try on for you. So they all come in little packets, individually packaged within the big packet. This is the Plus Silver Glitter Slide Slit Maxi Skirt. I got in a size 24. I could have done a 22, even a 20. But yeah, let's try it on. The one thing I will say that I didn't know about it, I hope you guys can hear me. One thing I will say that I didn't know is that the sparkle, it's like loose glitter. That's why I have this towel here on the floor. I don't know if you can see it. If you can't, then ignore what I just said. But it's a loose glitter. So when I opened the package initially, I had glitter all over me. Like, there's a lot of material here, but it doesn't show that it's like super big or anything. Pretty nice lit, actually. It's really, really sexy. I love this whole skirt. Would I say it's a little sheer because I can see where my shapewear ends and where my thigh begins, so it's a little sheer, but I mean, it's such a like distracting number that would not be the first thing I saw when I looked at you in this skirt. Like, how cute is it? So the belly line does show even with shapewear, but like, shit, I'm looking real cute. I don't care about a belly line. So how cute is this? I mean, hi. Here's a back view. Side view, shoe. Okay, I'm obsessed. Next thing I'm gonna try on for you is the jumpsuit, which is actually probably the whole reason I made the order, because I saw this and I fell in love. And then you would tie it right here. I mean, hi. I mean, are you not living for this? So the whole reason why I wanted it is because of the whole bootleg thing, but as you can see, I'm not tall enough. So, but I just need to get it trimmed. And the tailor, I mean, there's my toe. So that's where it ends. There's a huge chunk of material there, but like, how cute is this? I mean, are you joking? Look at this like peekaboo cute section. So it's this cute baby pink kind of mauve-y color. Super cute. I'm wearing it with the shapewear from Woolworths only because I had them on before. Normally I wouldn't wear it with any shapewear underneath. It would show the belly line more, but I feel like I'd have more fun with it because this peekaboo section would be for real, you know? So this is how this looks. Back view. Yeah, so I was kind of nervous because I've seen a lot of videos and the sizing was really worrying me, but it seems to be true to size from what I have here. So I guess we'll see if that stays consistent. Okay, so the last two items are the same thing, just in a different color. This is a nudie, well, not really nude for my skin, but this is a nude and this is a black. So I've already opened the black. Oh, I didn't tell you what the jumpsuit is called. The jumpsuit is called the Plus Blush Crepe Batwing Cutout Jumpsuit. The jumpsuit itself was 20 pounds, which is the most expensive thing that was in this cart. So yeah, and then these are the Plus Black chafing bands, and then the other one is Plus Nude. I got these in a 4XL, and these were both $8 each. So this is what it looks like. It's just a piece of material, literally just a piece of material, and then it has a kind of like gluey section. If you've had one of those stick-on bras, yeah, the inside of that kind of like sticky. That's what this feels like. So I'm gonna try it on. I think I got a size too big. This is the concept. They're stuck. They're up here now because the sticky gluey part is gripped onto my skin. I have no idea how that would wear as the day goes on. It will probably be really interesting to find out, but the whole concept is to be able to walk around in your short dresses and not have to worry about tights showing. Quickly before I close off this video, so I did order from Public Desire again, and I got this pair of beautiful booties. I don't know if you can see them. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are dreamy. I will link them down below if they still have them in stock, but when I saw these I almost died. They are so cute. I am obsessed. Like, they're so combat-y. They're definitely my style. If you remember my order from Public Desire video, you'll know that the boots that are in there are quite similar, just a little more on the avant-garde-ish side, but I mean, hi. Yeah, so these were 800 and something bucks. I will have it written on the screen, like the exact amount. Same wait period as Pretty Little Thing, same payment method, same everything, but the custom charges for these was $350. and 91 rand as well. So that's annoying. Everyone loves these. My mom even loves these. My mom's not really into these kind of like big boots, but she loves these. My sisters love these. Nat love these. Like Nat, I went to church wearing these. I wore them already. That's how much I love them. I wore them before I did this video. And so I arrive at church and I'm like, I feel so tall today. And Nat looks down and she's like, you're wearing our boots. That's what she said to me. She's like, you're wearing our boots. I paid for these myself, by the way. She's probably gonna try and steal them. I'm gonna lock my room, okay? Super cool, super edgy, super me. But yeah, now that I can get off my floor, I'm so excited. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope it helps you. Just having this little bit of information would have really helped me, because I really don't want to pay customs like ever. Yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you can get a notification when I post a new video. You can also click on the little gray. Does it give you a notification? Yes. You can also click on the little gray bell next to the subscribe button, and that will ensure that you definitely get a notification, because sometimes you just get like occasional notifications, but if you click on the gray bell you get all notifications for all videos. So you can also check me out on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. I'm very active on all 3 of those. I also have a Facebook page. It's called Nicole Khumalo YouTube, and you can follow me on there. If you are on Facebook a lot, then you can just get my videos sent straight to your Facebook feed, and you'll never miss a video. How cool is that? Yeah, comment down below if you have any requests for the My Order From series. I know someone already requested Fashion Nova, so don't even say it. I know already. It's in my book. It's probably my next order. But I also actually want to do My Order Froms for South Africa, because I feel like, why not, you know? Just tell you about my experience. But yeah, let me know in the comments below if you want to see like just international or like everything. And yeah, that's it. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.